So welcome. Today we'll solve some questions of probability. We'll start with the first question. That is, there are 3 black, 4 blue, and 5 red ball in a box. So there is a box in which we have black, that is 3 black balls, 4 blue balls, and 5 red balls. All those balls are kept in a box. Okay. Then 3 balls are selected one by one without replacement. So what we are doing is we are selecting 3 balls one by one without replacement. What is the probability that first ball drawn is black, second is blue, and third one is red? Okay. So what we will assume that each event is independent. So means we are drawing one by one without replacement. So what will happen is we are first selecting black ball, that is we have 3C1 means possibilities to select one black ball out of 3 black balls. And how many total number of balls are there? That is 4, 3, 7 plus 12. So out of 12 C1 means total possibilities, we have 3 C1 possibilities of means getting black ball. Similarly, in the second uh, draw, we are selecting blue ball. So it is 4C1, and one ball we have already selected. So 11 balls are remaining. So it is 11C1. Similarly, for red, it is 5C1, and one ball means 2 balls we have already selected. So only 10 balls are left. So it's like that. So this is the probability that we are calculating. Right. Okay. So it is 3C1 is nothing but 3. 12C1 is 12. Uh, you know, if NCR is nothing but n factorial upon n minus r factorial into r factorial. Okay. So once you put all these values, let me show you how to calculate it for 1, so that you will get an idea. So here n is 3, so 3 factorial, n minus r, that is 3 minus 1, that is 2, 2 factorial, and r is 1, so 1 factorial. 1 factorial is 1, 3 factorial is nothing but 3 times 2 factorial and 2 factorial, so it will get cancelled out, so it is nothing but equal to 3. So whenever it is NC1 kind of situation, your answer will be equal to n. So here we have 3 by 12, 4 by 11, and 5 by 10. So it is 4 3s are 12 and 5 2s are 10. So what we'll have is 1 by 22. So the required probability is 1 by 22. Then coming to the next problem. So two dice are tossed together. Okay. What is the probability that sum of the number is either a prime number or divisible by 2? So when two dice are tossed, then our sample space has 36 points. We know because how it will look, that is 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma, okay, let me write it, 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 1, similarly 2 comma 2, 2 comma 6, similarly 3 comma 1, 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. So our event is, this is our sample space. So what is our event? That is sum of the number, that is this and this, is either a prime number, means which has a factor, means which itself is its factor, and 1 is factor of it. Okay. or it is divisible by 2, means union of this 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2, okay, so it is a prime number. And 1 plus 2 is 3, it is also a prime number. 1 plus 3 is 4, it is divisible by 2. 1 plus 5, it is prime number. 1 plus 6, divisible by 2. 1 plus 6, that is 7, it is a prime number. 2 1, which is 3, prime number. 2 2, divisible by 2. 2 3, prime number. 2 4, divisible by 2. 2 5, that is prime number. 2 6, divisible by 2. 3 1, divisible by 2. mm, 3 2, prime number. 3 3, divisible by 2. 3 4, prime, yeah, 3 4 is prime number, means 3 plus 4. And 3 plus 5, 8, divisible by 2. 3 comma 6, that is 9. It is neither a prime number, because its factor are 3 3 into 3 into 1. And it is, what we can say, it is neither divisible by 2, and it is nor a prime number. So it is one of the case. Similarly, this is prime number, divisible by 2. Prime number, divisible by 2. It is neither divisible by 2 nor a prime number. It is divisible by 2. Similarly, we will get 5 4 here and 3 6 here. So excluding this 4, we have 32 points in our this event. Means we are getting 32 numbers out of 36, which are either divisible by 2 or a prime number. So what is our probability? That is n of e and n of s. N of e is nothing but 32, and it is 36. So 4 8 is a 32, 4 9 is a 36. So C is the correct answer. Okay. Then next question. In a tuition batch of 2 students, okay, the probability that X will pass, that is X, Y, pass, fail. So passing means the probability that X will pass is 1 by 4, and Y will pass is 2 by 3. And so what is the probability that X will fail? It will be 3 by 4. That is 1 minus probability of passing. Similarly, here will be 1 by 3. Okay. So what they are asking is, what is the probability that only one of X and Y will pass in the exam? Okay. So where either X will pass or Y will pass. Okay. Only one of them. So what will be the means how will we calculate this probability? So means suppose when X pass, then Y fail, or when Y pass, then X fail. Okay, because both of them can't fail together and both of them can't pass together. So these are the only possible outcomes. So X passing probability is nothing but 1 by 4, and Y failing is 1 by 3. Similarly, Y passing is 2 by 3, and X failing is 3 by 4. So it is 1 by 12 plus 6 by 12. It is 7 by 12. So C is the correct answer. Then next question. So one ball is drawn from each of the two baskets. So two baskets are there, say B1, B2. Okay. Basket 1 contains 7 red and 5 black balls, and second basket contains 4 red and 6 black balls. What is the probability that both the balls are red? Okay. So what we'll assume that means nothing is mentioned about selection of basket. So we'll assume that selecting a basket is independent. Okay. Then what we have, uh, and also what is the probability that both the balls are red? So both the balls are red means ball selected from B1 is also red and ball selected from B2 is also red. So probability both balls are red. When we select from B1, we have 7 C1 out of 12 C1, and when we select from B2, we have 4 C1 out of 10 C1. Okay, so it is 7 into 4 times 12 into 10. So 4 3s are 12. So 7 by 30 is the correct answer. Okay. Then next question, a die is rolled twice. Okay, outcome is noted as I comma j. So the sample space that I have written above, same applies here, where I represent the first outcome and j represent the second one. Okay, what is the probability that I is a prime or j is divisible by 3? Okay, so I is prime in, suppose in sample space, similarly we have 1 comma 1 till 1 comma 6, 6 comma 1, 6 comma 6. Okay, so what event they are mentioning, that is I is prime and j is divisible by 3. So 1 is not a prime number. So we, what we require is I is a prime. Okay, so in the second row, 2 is, we know that 2 is a even prime number. So 2 is the only even prime number. So this complete row will be under our event. Means we have 6 sample points. Similarly, this 3 is also a prime number. So again 6, 4 is not a prime number, and 5 is a prime number, again 6. Okay, so this second row, third row and fifth row will be under our event uh, according to the first condition. And they are asking union, means what second condition we need to look at, that is j is divisible by 3. So for j to be divisible by 3 means, second point, we here have 1 comma 3 and 1 comma 6. Similarly 2 comma 3, 2 comma 6. So these 2 points from here. Similarly from 4. Similarly from 6. Okay. So 1 comma 3, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 3 we have already taken. So 4 comma 3, 4 comma 6, and 6 comma 3, 6 comma 6. Okay, so these 6 points will also be added. Okay, because as per the second condition, and they have mentioned or. Okay, so what we need to take, we have to take union of this, means all these points as well as these points. So what we will get, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, means the points from this, that is 2 comma 3, 2 comma 6, they will also come. But when we will take union, only we will be left with 24 unit points. Okay, we have 24. 1 minute. Okay, so number of samples or number of points in our event is 24, and number of points in a sample space is 36. So probability of occurrence of that event is nothing but n of e by n of s. So n of e is 24 by 36. So 6 3s are 20, or 8 3s are 24. Oh, sorry. 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36. So 2 by 3 is the correct answer. So it's a good question. What they have given is even it to even be the n independent events, okay, such that the probability of occurrence of that event is this much. So probability of occurrence of ei is 1 minute. The probability of occurrence is nothing but 1 upon 2 to raised to power I, where I varies from 1 to n. Okay, so probability of non-occurrence of that event is 1 upon 2 ka power I. Means probability that ith event will occur is nothing but 1 minus 2 ka power I. So probability that ith event will not occur is 1 is equal to 1 upon 2 ka power minus I, because p of e plus p of e bar is equal to 1. Once you will put this, you will get this. Okay, then what they have asked is, what is the probability that at least one of the event occur? At least one event occur means either one occur or 1 and 2 occur, or 1, 2, 3 occur. Okay, like this you have to do. But you will realize that it will be very complicated equation. So another alternative way to solve this is probability that at least one event will occur. It can be written as that at least one event will occur is equal to 1 minus probability none of the ith event will occur. Okay, so we need to calculate at least one event will occur. Okay, so it is nothing but equal to that none of the event will occur. 1 minus none of the event will occur. So probability of non-occurrence of ith event will be 1 upon 2 raised to power I, and we need to calculate this for from I is equal to 1 to n. And what does this mean in symbolic form? मतलब p of 1 intersection, 2 intersection, 3 intersection up to intersection n. And for independent even case, we can write it as p1, p2, p3 up to pn. Why? Because these events are independent, and we are saying that none of the ith event will occur, and we have this probability with us expression. So straight away what we'll do is 1 raised to 2 ka power 1, 1 upon 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 3. Okay, so it will be 1 upon 2 raised to power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n. And we know that sum of this series is nothing but 1 upon 2 raised to power n in bracket n plus 1 by n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n is nothing but n in bracket n plus 1 by 2. That's what we have written here. So this is the probability that we require, and it is equal to b. Okay, I hope you got uh, clarity how to deal with this type of questions. Okay, then coming to the next part. Okay. So what we have is we have two independent event E and F. Okay, two independent event, that is E intersection F is PE times PF, such that so PE sorry and for just for algebraic simplicity, let me denote PE by X and PF by Y. Okay, so it is say XY, and also they have given it equal to 1 by 6. So XY is equal to 1 by 6. Similarly, this uh, P E complement intersection F complement is equal to 1 by 3, and we know that P of E union F whole complement is equal to P of E complement intersection F complement. So what we can write here is P of E union F complement is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, so from the rule of complement, means that's not its actual name, but like means we know that E union F plus probability of E union F complement is equal to 1. Okay, from here when we will put this value here, what we will get? E union F is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3. Okay, so we have one more expression with us, that is probability of E union F is equal to 2 by 3. Hmm. And one more condition they have given, which we will use later. For time being, let me just jot it down here. I will tell you when it will be useful. So what they have mentioned is P of A minus P of F should be greater than 0. Okay, that is x minus y greater than 0. This is one more condition. So for the two events, we know that probability of E intersection F is equal to PE plus PF E union F. Okay, so E intersection F is mm, yeah, it is 1 by 6, and PE is x, PF is y, and E union F is 2 by 3. So x plus y is equal to 1 by 6 plus 4 by 6, that is 5 by 6. 4 by 6 means 2 by 3 is nothing but 4 by 6. Okay, so one more expression we have with us. It is x plus y is equal to 5 by 6. Now it's just a problem of mathematics, I mean linear equation solving. So what we will do is we will substitute for, let's say, y. Okay, so y is equal to 1 by 6x. Then putting it here, what we will get, x plus 1 by 6x, 5 by 6 to 6x by 6x, 1 by 6x. Oh, sorry, what I am doing there. So it is 6x by 6 plus 1 by 6x, 5 by 6. 6x will get cancelled, so it is 6x plus x is equal to 5. 6x square minus 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. After solving it, we will get value for x, that is minus 2a, minus 2a. Okay. So after solving this, you will get some value. Let me solve it. Okay. So comparing it with the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 1. Okay. So x will be equal to minus 2a, that is 12, plus minus under root of b square is nothing but 25, minus 4ac is nothing but 24, divided by 2a is nothing but 12. Did something wrong here or what? Let me check the formula for quadratic equation. What is it? So it is minus b here, I think. Let me verify it. Yes, so here is means the formula is minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus b is minus of minus 5, that is plus 5. Okay. So solving this, what we will get? So x is equal to 5 plus minus under root of 1, that is 1 by 12. So it is either 6 by 12 or 4 by 12. That is 1 by 2 or what you can say, 3 by 4. Okay, so which x value we have to choose? So this equation will help us. So if x is equal to 1 by 2, then from here y is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, and from this condition what we require, x should be greater than y. Okay, so what is happening here, x is 0.5 and y is 0.33. So this is satisfied, means this should be the value, or just for our means satisfaction we can check for this 3 by 4 also. X is 3 by 4 and y will be equal to 4 by 3 times 1 by 6, that is 2 to the 4, 1 by 9. Okay, or anything different? Okay, so x minus y for first case or for second case, so it is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, so it is 3 minus 2 by, that is it equal to 1 by 6, which is greater than 0. And for second case it is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 9. I did some blunder. Wait. Yeah, so 4 by 12 is nothing but 4 ones are 4, 4 3s are 12. So it is 1 by 3, not 3 by 4. That's why I'm thinking why this absurd answer is coming. So it is 1 by 2, 1 by 3. So for this, for second case you can verify. Means for first case it is coming as greater than 0. And for second case, if you put x equal to 1 by 3, then y is also equal to y equal to 1 by 2. Yeah, y equal to 1 by 2. So x minus y will be less than 0. Okay, so this is not a feasible solution for this problem. So what we have is x equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. It is a feasible solution. So what they are asking p of fc, f complement. So what we have with us is p of f is nothing but y. It is 1 by 3. So p of f complement will be equal to 2 by 3. So a will be the correct answer. Okay. Then last question for this video is, in a school 60% of students have smartphone. So 60% of students have smartphone and 30% of students have laptop, and 20% of both, that is S intersection and is 20%. If a student is randomly chosen, what is the probability that he or she owns a smartphone or a laptop but not both? Okay, so suppose this is our sample space. This represents student who have smartphone. This represents student who have laptop. So this is our smartphone, laptop. Okay. So S intersection L, that is this portion, it is 20%. Okay. And this total S is 60%. So this is visible to you. Okay. So this portion is 20%. Okay. And this complete is 60%. So remaining will be 40%. Okay. Similarly here, this total L is 30% and 20% is 20% is a part of both of them. So remaining will be 10. Okay. So only means out of two, then only 40% have 40% of the student have only smartphones, and 10% of students have only laptops, and out of this total 70%, 20% have both smartphone and laptop, and remaining 30% have none. Okay, because 40 20 40 20 60 and plus 10 70, so 100 minus 70 is nothing but 30. So whatever left over will have nothing. But they have not asked about, means what they are asking is, what is the probability that she owns a smartphone or a laptop but not both? Means he or she has a smartphone or a laptop but not both. Means 40 plus 10, this will be our event they are asking about, because this much portion of the student have smartphone and this much portion of the student have laptops only. Okay, and not both, so it is nothing but 50%. So out of total 100%, 50% is a probability that he or she owns a smartphone or a laptop but not both. Okay, so C is the correct answer, and they have mentioned or here, that's why we have added. Because the probability of having only smartphone is 40 and probability of having only laptop is 10, and they are asking a union of that event and probability for that. So out of total 100%, 50% of the time, means there is 50% chance that if we select a student, so he owns a smartphone or a laptop but not both. Okay, so that's what is the meaning of this. So thanks for watching.